This video is brought to you by IXL, used by millions of students worldwide to get ahead in math, English, and more.
Have you ever heard of adjacent angles? The word adjacent means next to, and adjacent angles look like this. Adjacent angles are angles that share a vertex and one side in the middle. In other words, they're two angles that are right next to each other. The blue angle is adjacent to the orange angle because they have the same vertex and they share this side. The size of an angle depends on how far you have to rotate one ray to reach the other. Angles are measured in degrees. The orange angle measures 40 degrees and the blue angle measures 25 degrees. Do you see how the two adjacent angles also form one larger angle? Well, the measure of this larger angle is actually equal to the sum of the two adjacent angles. 25 degrees plus 40 degrees is 65 degrees. So that means that the measure of this large angle is 65 degrees. Let's take a look at some more examples. Here, we want to find the value of the letter t. The letter t represents the angle measure of the larger angle here. We just don't know what that measure is yet. Let's take a closer look at our picture here. We have this larger blue angle that's made up of these two adjacent angles, a green 60-degree angle and an orange 30-degree angle. So how do we find the value of t? Remember, we can add the measures of the adjacent angles together to find the measure of the larger angle. So we'll add 60 degrees and 30 degrees to get the value of t. That means the value of t is 90 degrees. Nice, let's try another. Here we're looking for the value of x. We have these two adjacent angles. One is labeled with x and the other measures 40 degrees. Together they form an angle that measures 70 degrees. So we can show their relationship with the equation x plus 40 degrees equals 70 degrees. Now, how do we find the value of x? This time, we need to find the measure of one of the pieces that makes up the whole angle. So let's take away 40 degrees from the whole, 70 degrees, to find the missing piece. We'll subtract 40 degrees from 70 degrees to find that the measure of this angle and the value of x is 30 degrees. Nice, let's try one more. Here we have two more adjacent angles. One angle measures 19 degrees, and the other angle measure is represented by the letter w. Together, these adjacent angles form a larger angle which measures 82 degrees. That means 19 degrees plus w equals 82 degrees. To find w, we just need to do the opposite of addition and subtract 19 degrees from 82 degrees. After subtracting, we get 63 degrees. So the measure of this angle and the value of w is 63 degrees. Now you're ready to go tackle some adjacent angles on your own. Thanks for watching.
Head over to IXL.com to check out this video and thousands more in math and language arts.